Hi, I'm Papia. In this problem, we have a function f of x is equal to 4 to the power x minus 1. We have to first construct a table of values for this function using a graphing utility, and then we have to sketch the graph of this function. So, pick up a graphing utility and then plug in the function 4 to the power x minus 1, and then use the table feature to get some values. Let's start at x equals -2. So I'm going to put these values down in the table and then use those to graph the function. So we have x and f of x. Okay, so when x is -2, f of x, the y value is approximately 0.02. Okay, then x equals -1, y is 0.06 approximately. When x is 0, y is 0.25. When x is 1, we have 1 as y. When x is 2, we have y equals 4. Let's go a few more. Say x equals 3, we get y equals 16, and x equals 4 gives us y equals 64. So let's use these values, let's plot them, and then we will join those points and graph the function. Okay, so we're starting at -2, going up to 4. So let's see, let's say this is -2, -1, 2, 3, 4. And if you look at the y values, well, it goes up to 64. So let's say we start at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So let's start plotting the points now. First point is -2, comma 0.02. So at -2, y value is very, very close to x-axis. And this length is 10, so 0.02 is somewhere here. -1 is 0.06, so a little bit higher than 0.02, but still pretty close to x-axis. Okay. At 0 is 0.25. Again, that's also quite close to x-axis. At 1, we go up to 1. So again, a little bit higher. At 2, we go up to 4. So say 5 is about here, so somewhere here. 3, we get 16. So approximately. Then at 4, it jumps to 64. So at 4, go up. So next we have 70 up there. So let's see. About that point. Okay, so those are the points that we have to join, and then we'll get a graph of 4 to the power x minus 1. So let's do that. So as you can see, the graph will be very, very close to x-axis, to the left side, and then it will increase really fast. So this is the graph of the function 4 to the x minus 1. Thank you.